But allow me to take this very special moment to convey my very personal and deep gratitude to my family and the entire Odinga family for their enduring spirit in difficult, upsetting and tragic times. Through the times, they have kept powering through and lived up to the Ramogi Odinga's mantra that freedom has a price. I also want to thank my fellow compatriots in the struggle. Thank you for keeping the faith. Thank you for fighting the good fight. I wish especially to thank the strongest human being known to me, Her Excellency, Dr. Aida Betty Anyanga Odinga, the pillar of our family and the secret weapon to our combined strength. Aida is the mother of our 4 children, Fidel Odinga, Rosemary Akeyo, Raila Jr., and Winnie Imgad Chogo. The 4 are all different in character, but are all endowed with the strength of their mother, Aida. Every time they put me behind the bars in the 80s, they thought they'd stop the fight for Kenya, only for them to meet an even more relentless fighter in the person of Madam Aida Odinga, a fighter as determined as only a mother can be for her children. Nothing can stop the power of a good woman